Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are gonna open my bougiest box ever, the BREObox. This box always gets me the most excited. I don't know why. My brain, I think, just believes if something is more expensive, that it's better. And this is my most expensive subscription. How expensive, you might ask? This box starts at $159 if you buy it seasonally. That's how I buy it. And every time that you purchase a new one, you get rewarded for your loyalty because they give you $5 off. And there is always a discount on your first box, so it's not really $159 ever as long as you use the discount. And I will make sure to put all of that information down below. The box is full of tech and home items that you never knew you needed. At least that's their whole motto or something. I don't know. If you follow them on Facebook, that's kind of what they say. You could give this box to your grandpa, you could give this box to a college student. It's definitely every age and every gender is totally covered in this box. It's not very specific. There are items that pretty much everyone could use. There's definitely some weird ones, like I got a drone once. Can everybody use a drone? Probably not, but in theory, yes. Let's just open it up and you'll see what I mean. And just as fancy as it is, it always comes wrapped in cloth and then in a really nice box. Each season is a different color. So this is their summer color. It's so pretty and teal. I always save these boxes. And this one, they do release spoilers, but they only pretty much release spoilers on their Facebook page. And even if you're following them, they don't come up in your feed. I do follow them, but I never see the spoilers. The inside says, "You deserve this," and of course I do. We have this little pamphlet. Each section is going to explain everything in detail. Last time, COVID-19 had just started for spring and we all got phone soap that disinfects your phone. So clutch. Literally, it was something that I didn't even know that I needed. I don't even know how they knew that we needed it because it was committed to the spring box before any of the COVID-19 started getting really in the media and everybody hearing about it. But we all sanitize stuff. I'll link that video so you can see how amazed I was that we got that. So maybe there'll be something like that this time too. First up, it says in-car wireless charging cradle. And this is something I need, except I'm not really driving right now. I don't have anything holding my phone up in my car anymore. So this is actually something that's really useful to me. I used to have one that connected in my CD card holder because I don't use CDs anymore, but it just was never the right angle, so I removed it. So it looks like it's a suction. And here is my wireless charger, so it'll charge my phone while I'm driving with it. I'm assuming somewhere back here, let's see what's in this little box, is my charging cord. Correct, we have a charging cord in here, and it looks like we could also put this on a vent if we rather have it on a vent than up on the window. It is called the VHO TA8 in-car cradle and charger, compatible with all smartphones, featuring QI wireless technology, infrared sensor that automatically opens and closes the grip to clam on your device, mounts on all windshield and air vents, MSRP $88 retail. That's already half my box. I paid $135. This says Approach Apparel. It looks like those bands you use for fitness. That is what it is. Oh my gosh. If you're working from home right now, this is also you didn't even know you needed it. So you put this on your legs and this will be a resistance band, so it helps you build those muscles because you're working against the resistance. This is so awesome. I just bought two from a different brand, but I could definitely see how this would be really useful. Let's read a little bit about it. It says it's 3 inches, level 2 resistance, various workouts available by changing the placement. And this one's MSRP, they didn't used to put this on here, so I'm so glad they do, is $25. I would say that's probably pretty accurate for how good of quality it is. Okay, this, I don't snore, at least I don't think that I snore. This is the Mute Breathe More, Snore Less, Sleep Better trial pack. It has small, medium, large. Find your ideal fit, try all 3 sizes, and it gently opens your nose while you sleep. I don't know if I need this. I'm gonna pretend that I don't need this, even if I do need it, but this is what they look like. Let's read a little bit about this one. This would definitely be the most bizarre thing I ever received. It says Rhino Med Mute Nasal Dilator. Patented technology to fit the contours of your nose. Comes in 3 different sizes. Adjustable paddles to independently adjust each nostril for the perfect fit and greater airflow. MSRP $20. Okay, let's open this little box. What? This is another workout. No, this says handheld self-massage. Oh, okay, so it has this like metal ball that you roll on your body. Oh my God, it feels so good. It's like cold too because it's metal. I did actually just work out yesterday, so I need this. So this says it's ergonomic, stainless steel roller ball, durable bamboo handle and base, made from recycled materials. I love that. Drug-free alternative for health, fitness, or sports pain. And it is $25 retail value. I would definitely pay $25 for this just from the 2 minutes that I had rolled it on my arm. This is what I mean about timely things, right? So this next thing is called a clean key. It says made from copper alloy, and it helps with doors, buttons, attaches to your keychain, and it works on touchscreen. So that is what this looks like. Key Smart Clean Key, made of brass 260 alloy, antimicrobial, kills 99.9% of bacteria in 2 hours. Easy to clean product, clips onto your current keychain, ergonomic design for easy open doors, touch pads, and sign screens. This is a $25 retail value. The reason why I say this is so needed is because I have major anxiety to go back into public and open doors and touch buttons and all of that. I am just a scaredy cat. Like, I'm not going to the grocery store. I'm not going to the bank. I'm not like the things I need to do, I'm not doing it. This is definitely gonna make me feel a little bit safer as I go back into the wild virus unknown. And I was already looking at keychains like that, and they were about $20. So $25 I think is pretty good. I don't know if this one's a little bit better. It does say that it's antimicrobial, so in 2 hours, even if it did touch something, that it would sanitize itself. I'm gonna open this one up. It's a blanket tote. So it has a handle, and I guess we just open this guy up, and voila. It's pretty nice, actually. I don't know how I'm gonna fold that back up, but we'll just throw that over there for right now. The Oniva Blanket Tote Outdoor Picnic Blanket. See, I know what everything's for. Cozy polyester fleece topside and water resistant underside. Measures 59 inches by 51 inches when unfolded. And zippered pocket flap for phone and important item storage. Okay, that's cool. Durable material for anything that you may encounter. MSRP $21. I could totally see that being worth $21. It's one thing I love about this box. Most subscription boxes inflate some of their prices. No, I would not pay $50 for this or $30 for these makeup brushes. There's like, in what world, right? But BREObox, I think their retail values are always really accurate. The last item, and I always save the best for last based on my brief look into the box, but I think this is so cool. It is the Ace of Spade portable LED projector. So this is like if you're gonna project a movie on like your wall or outdoors or in a blanket, like literally anything you want to do. So Ace of Spades mini projector, HDMI input, 600 lumens. I don't know what a lumen is, but I'm sure that 600 is a good lot of them. Can project up to 60-inch screen, 30,000 hours of LED lamp life, audio ports for external speakers and built-in speakers. Includes projector, remote control, AC adapter, RCA AV cable. Retail value $65 US. So that makes the total box price $269. I paid $135 for this box. Like I said, I love this box. I always find enough value in this box, even though it is a very expensive box. There are things that I was looking to buy already. For example, this charger mount And this key, I was already looking online to buy things that are like this. I just hadn't pulled the trigger on my purchase yet. And there are things that if I knew this existed, I would have bought it like a million years ago because my muscles have been so sore. And I've been using a trigger point ball, which actually does work really well, but this feels so cold and so good that this is gonna be so easy for me to use when I am ridiculously sore. This is just freaking cool. I don't care who you are, it's cool. These are pretty useful. I would say the blanket is probably the item that I would be least likely to get benefit from, just because if I go to the beach, I normally would bring like a towel, or if I go on a picnic, I would normally bring one of my own blankets, so it's not like I need this blanket, but I do like that the bottom is water resistant, so maybe I will end up using it, I just don't really know. This is so useful right now for people trying to do home workouts, which I am. And then this, of course, I believe that I don't need to use it, but I do also believe that I at least know one human being on this planet personally that does have a use of it. So it comes with 3 of them. That means that I can give them to 3 different people, somebody with a small nose thing and a large and a medium, you know? But I know that that could be super frustrating to live with somebody that snores, so whether it's you or someone else, this could be very useful. Not everyone snores, but a good majority of people snore. What do you think about this box? Do you think it is still way too expensive? So far, this is I think this is my 5th box. Yeah, so far this is my 5th box. I've done a year, this is my 5th box. I have pretty much used everything from my boxes. I have a Click and Grow garden that I'm obsessed with, and that is growing my basil beautifully. I have a cold brew coffee maker that I use. I have the phone soap that I use. They had an electric lighter. You blew my mind that there's a such thing as an electric lighter and that doesn't need lighter fluid that I can literally plug in and charge. What? I love this box. I think it would make a great gift as well because all of these things are useful, like for somebody going off to college or something like that, starting their own life. There's always kitchen gadgets in it. There's always like workout stuff. It's literally stuff that everybody could use. Not necessarily stuff everybody really wants or is looking for at that particular moment in time, but it would still be useful to that person even if that wasn't like an immediate desire. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you think I'm crazy? Is this just box like way too expensive? $135 is a lot. I mean, $159 is a lot. That was what the first box is supposed like retail prices. That is a lot. Somehow I'm still happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.